Hello there. In this lecture we are going to discuss management function of leading and how to lead. What is leading? Simply put, leading is the process of influencing people so that they will contribute to organization goals. Managers are required to understand the roles assumed by people, the individuality of people and their personalities. No two persons are alike. Each and every person has his or her own individual personality. It's just like fingerprints. No two fingerprints match. If something ticks Harry, some other thing ticks Tom. So we really have to understand as a manager what actually motivates people, how we can influence them to do what we want them to do, or how they can perform efficiently and effectively at their maximum abilities and capacities. If you look at the history, we see that the greatest leaders were the ones who had the ability to command the respect of the people who followed them.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, click the link below in the description box.